We have learned how Expo Router handles various routing scenarios, from basic file-based routing to dynamic routes and catch-all routes. But what happens when a user tries to access a route that doesn't exist? Let's find out. In the home page, add a link to a non-existent route, like /missing route. If you're using TypeScript, you will straightaway see a type error. This is because the route is not defined. At runtime, when you tap the link in the app or click the link in the web browser, you will see an unmatched route component UI provided by Expo Router. It has a link to go back to the home page and a link to the sitemap that lists all the routes in the app. You can select one of the routes to navigate to it. To be honest, the issue is more relevant in the web browser, as the user can enter any URL into the address bar. In the mobile app, the user can only navigate using the predefined routes. Although this is a good default behavior, it isn't ideal for a polished app. You will want to customize the UI to reflect your app's design and branding. Expo Router provides a simple way to create custom not found pages using a special file naming convention, plus not-found.tsx. When defined, it will be used as a fallback when a user tries to access a route that doesn't exist in your application. Let's see how this works in practice. In our app directory, let's create a new file called plus not-found.tsx. Use the snippet rnfs to create a React Native component. We'll call it custom not found. Add container styles. Set it on the view component, so styles.container, and add a link to go home. Import link at the top. We don't really have a brand design for our app, so we will go with a basic component, staying true to how we have been doing things so far. With this in place, if a user tries to access a route that doesn't exist, they will see our custom not found page instead of the default one. The same is applicable for the web as well. Another neat feature of Expo Router's not found handling is the ability to create both global and scoped not found pages. The notfound.tsx file we just created in the app directory is a global handler. It will catch any non-existent route across your entire application. You can also create more specific not found pages for different sections of your app by placing a notfound.tsx file in a subdirectory. For example, we can create a scoped not found handler in the profile directory. Within the folder, create a new file plus not-found.tsx, the name being very important, and define a React Native component. I will copy the global not found component and change the text to profile page not found. In the home page, let's update the link to profile/Vishwas. Now, when you try to access this route, you will see the scoped profile page not found instead of the global one. This feature allows you to provide more contextual error messages and navigation options based on where in your app the user is. Expo Router will always use the most specific handler it can find. If a scoped handler exists for the current route, it will be used. Otherwise, it falls back to the global handler. Creating a good page not found experience is an important part of your app's user experience design. Here's a list of best practices to consider. First, clearly explain that the page wasn't found and possibly why. For example, a product may have been removed. Second, make your not page consistent with your app's overall design and branding. Third, provide clear navigation options to help users find what they're looking for or return to a known part of your application. Finally, if possible, show related content that might be relevant to what the user was looking for. All right, for our next topic, we will dive into layouts and how to use them to create a consistent user experience across your app.